everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I guess it's the CGRRBW, and these are some nice dress shoes that I got here. So I didn't want to go to the store and get some, so I picked some up online here, and look at these. These are nice. They're kind of black patent leather looking shiny ones with the little white bottoms to it. So these are going to be great when I'm going out over the winter time here, over the winter time, and going out like wearing jeans or something like that. I'm wearing shorts at the moment, so you're going to get to see me wearing these in shorts. But let's check these out. They come like with the pre-tied laces, so they are slip-on concept of them, I think. Is it right? Is it? Or do they have laces somewhere? Oh, they do have laces. Okay, so that's good. So we are going to be able to tie them up here, but let's see if I can just slide them on, and I'll give you guys a look-see of what they look like. So, there we go. Actually, I don't know what size I got. Does it say? But these fit perfectly. I got 8.5, so I guess I'm an 8.5 in American size. I usually wear, I guess that is what I usually wear, 8.5. So I guess I looked on the size chart and picked whatever size it said to get. So I guess it said to get 8.5. And I'm not wearing socks right now, so it's got a little bit more space than I would, and I would probably slide on slightly easier once I have some socks on too, if I'm wearing some like thin dress socks. Because they do have a little bit of space in here. But let's see if I can get this other shoe on, and then I will show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I've got two shoes on, and I think, is it in the back in this corner where you can see? So this is how they look. They look good here, and I can tie it up, make a little knot in it here. So this is them. So they look good. My toes go up to here. It's got a lot of extra space at the end. It's kind of cool. It makes my feet look a little bigger than they really are, because I got tiny little feet. So people won't think I'm a little midget foot. But you get the idea here. They look nice. They got a good cushion to them, so it feels good. And it's got a nice pattern on there as well. Here, let me show you up close what these look like. So it's got the rubber bottom here with a little bit of a black rubber tip and bottom here. And it's got the thing there. It's fairly light. I'm not going to say it's totally light, but it's got the little insert here with some sort of foam, not exactly memory foam, but foam. Nonetheless, the bottom's kind of hard, so if you didn't have this in there, it would be fairly hard. And they're just nice looking shoes. So these are good looking shoes. They've got that cool pattern on it there, so kind of a little bit of a Western flair, I guess you could say. And these are good. They look good. They fit good. So they are definitely true to size. So if you're 8.5, get an 8.5. If you're a different size, get exactly what you would normally wear. There's not a whole lot of extra room, so if you're going to size, I mean, maybe size up a tiny, but I don't know, fits me perfectly, so I like it. So thumbs up for sure.